Hello. Okay, today we're taking a look at the double bell Zenyco AK and then demonstrate how to change your charging handle. First, you need to press this button, take it out like that. Right. Hold on. Give me one sec. Okay. This button, you need to, on an angle, push it upwards. Then it'll collapse like so. Right. Then you can press down to the full auto to the metal section, so this can slide all the way to the rear and lift up like so. Then you can replace it with the new charging handle that you can also buy, for instance, and then slide it back in by putting it here. Slide it all the way back forward. Slide the this rod assembly, and then slip it back here, and then put this back together here. You got to make sure that the charging handle is on the inside of the top cover, like so. Then it's in. Then you can slide this to the rear to access the hop-up chamber and back like so to cover it, and push this back up. Another thing is that the reason why all these do not riveted or screwed in is because the whole point of AK is you can take it apart and fix whatever you need by hand or with as little tools as possible. That's the whole design philosophy. One more thing to know is that the included what do you call that? The charging handle. What's it called again? This thing?
It's called an enlarged charging handle.
Enlarged charging handle. What you can do is put a shim, as you can see here, so that it can. So when you screw it in all the way in, it stays in place and doesn't move around, or the screw itself doesn't go all the way in when you screw it in. And that's the key point. Thank you very much.